Nonna Rosa's banana bread is not only delicious but packed with nutrition. It's so good, you could even enjoy it as a meal. Start by cracking 10 eggs into your mixer bowl. Add 4 teaspoons of cinnamon and, if you prefer, 4 teaspoons of cardamom as well. Then add 6 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Let it mix on the lowest setting while you prepare the rest of the ingredients. Add 3 to 4 cups of your favorite nuts. It could be walnuts, almonds, hazelnuts, anything you prefer, to a Ziploc bag and give them a good crush. Seeds like poppy, pumpkin, or sunflower are also great additions. Poppy seeds were one of our favorites. Now you need fully ripe bunches of banana, which, when mashed to a paste, will be 4 cups. They should practically melt off the peel. You can mash with a potato masher or just leave them in the mixer. Combine 4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 4 teaspoons of baking soda. Blend these dry ingredients carefully. It helps everything bake up nice and even. Feel free to mix and match any dry fruits you like. Cranberries, blueberries, figs, raisins, dates, raspberries, or anything else. Just make sure the total adds up to about 3 to 4 cups. My kids would never eat raisins or dates, but gladly enjoyed them in this loaf. If you have crystallized honey or leftover jam, feel free to add it to the batter. No need to waste it. Start by adding the dry fruits in the mixer, then toss in the nuts. Next, pour in the dry ingredients. Frankly, there is no set order. Whether the flour goes in before or after the nuts doesn't really matter. At first, I forgot the 4 cups of oil, but I'm adding it now. If you prefer a sweeter loaf, you can mix in up to 2 cups of sugar, but the banana and dry fruits usually make it sweet enough on their own. Let the mixer run until the batter is smooth and well combined. At this point, I add 1 cup of almond flour. You can use any nut flour you prefer or just skip this step. If you didn't have enough bananas or they weren't quite ripe, add a splash of milk or cream to help moisten the batter so the cake is tender and soft. Use oil to coat the pan in a thin, even layer. You can also use parchment paper. Just crush it into a ball and moisten it so it can shape to any pan you like. Pour a good amount of mix in each pan, leaving room for it to grow. Bake at 350 to 375 Fahrenheit, depending on your oven, for about 40 to 45 minutes. Check if it's done with the knife test. If it comes out clean, you are good. The cake should be golden brown with a light, crisp layer on top. Parchment paper is much easier to work with, but if you want to get those beautiful designs from certain pans, you'll need to use some oil. You can use a turkey tray and line with parchment paper to bake a larger loaf. This whole batch can fit in one of those, which can easily be split in 2 quarters. Slice and enjoy or freeze for later. It's incredibly delicious, and you won't even taste the olive oil. It's just a soft, fluffy banana loaf with crunchy nuts and the occasional pop of dry fruit. Enjoy this nutritious treat. Please subscribe and stay with us to see more future videos from life experience. Thanks for watching and have yourself a wonderful day.